I went from feeling unworthy and like my world was falling apart to feeling confident and at ease by taking the steps to achieve a mental and physical glow up. It's only been 3 months since I hit rock bottom, so I am still in my glow up era, but I want to share with you how great you can feel by just taking those initial steps to being yourself again. Imagine the incredible heights you can reach when you commit yourself to a journey of self-love and personal growth. Picture a life where you make your well-being a priority, investing time and effort into becoming the best version of yourself. You will no longer waste energy on worrying about what other people think of you. Your progress is unique and incomparable, so there's no need to compare yourself to others. You probably find yourself in a place where you feel stuck, trapped in a life that doesn't align with your true self. It's time to break free from those chains and step into a world of infinite possibilities. You've probably spent years caring for others, putting their needs above your own, but now it's time to redirect that care towards yourself. It takes one positive change to create a wave of goodness in your life. Your connections with others will become stronger. You will feel more confident and you will find your happiness once again. The impact of this commitment will last a lifetime. Are you ready to embrace your highest self and embark on the most empowering journey of your life? The choice is yours. Tip number 1. Accept your reality. 3 months ago, I faced a difficult and unfair situation. I lost my dream job without much time to figure out what my next steps would be. My family and I had moved more than 1,000 miles away from our families to improve ourselves personally and financially. I started breaking out on my cheeks, which has never happened in my life. I started binge eating again while being less consistent with the gym. My fight or flight response started to take over, and I was thinking to myself, was the move even worth it? It was only when I made the decision to accept my life at that moment that I was able to sit with myself and choose to fight. I chose to prioritize myself, my family, and our goals. Acceptance empowers you to let go of what you can't change, to find meaning and purpose in the here and now. It gives you the freedom to make mindful choices and shape your future based on a foundation of truth. Embracing your reality is a transformative act that sets you on a path of self-discovery, resilience, and genuine living. Take some time to reflect on your reality, to recognize the feelings and thoughts, and to embrace the unique journey that's yours to live. Tip number 2. Prioritize self-care and healthy habits. In this crazy, fast-paced world we live in, it can be super easy to lose ourselves. We focus so much on meeting other people's expectations and demands that we forget about our own needs. Making yourself a priority is not selfish. It's actually necessary for your own well-being and those around you. So go ahead and put yourself first. Whether it's going to the gym, having a self-care night with a glass of wine, so important to do things that make you happy. Regular exercise and having a balanced diet alone can put you in a better state of mind. When you prioritize your own needs, you'll find that you're better equipped to handle all the craziness that life throws at you. You'll be more resilient and better able to cope with difficult situations. Plus, taking care of yourself helps you recognize your own worth and take care of your physical, mental, and emotional health. Making yourself a priority is not a luxury or a selfish thing to do. It's actually a smart investment in your overall well-being that will help you be your best self and live a fulfilling life. Tip number 3. Discover and pursue your passions. You probably feel like you lost yourself and you've lost the passion for things you enjoyed doing before. Finding and pursuing your passions is absolutely crucial. Our passions aren't just hobbies or interests. They're a big part of who we are. When we embrace our passions, we show the world our true colors and become our authentic selves. Of course, it's not always easy to identify our passions and find the time and resources to pursue them. So it's important to take small steps towards discovering and nourishing them. This could mean trying out new things, exploring different hobbies, or just taking time to think about what makes you happy. Tip number 4. Disconnect and recharge. It's super important to take breaks and look after ourselves. The world we live in is crazy busy with notifications, deadlines, and never-ending to-do lists that can leave us feeling totally exhausted. We need to do things that make us happy, like taking a long bath, going for a walk, or watching your favorite show. Tip number 5. Surround yourself with supportive people. It's no secret that our friends and the people we hang out with can have a big impact on us. They either help us grow or hold us back. We have to look for those who really believe in us and support our dreams. Find friends who inspire you, cheer you on, and push you to be the best version of yourself. Take that first step to your glow up journey and comment down below your Instagram handle. You can also share your experiences or tips on what you're doing to improve yourself. Let's intentionally create a squad of supportive and uplifting girls who believe in us and help us reach new heights. Let's be there for each other, celebrate our wins, and tackle the challenges we face. With a solid support system, we can conquer any obstacles, chase our dreams with confidence, and create a life filled with real and meaningful connections.